Hey, what's up, Burritos? Welcome to a brand new. I'm here at I think the place is called Chillitos on Hope Road, and it is actually a little going away. I don't want to call it a farewell, a little gone back a foreign. The Yaardman Etan and Kolinski, who is not here. But in the meantime, we're there with some people who we can call friends. With Shafawa, Shaf Sassy, big bad makeup artist.
Hello.
No man, this word, come on, know my head go fit in this.
You know she was like a big American. But you are.
Give me a record.
Not like a supermarket.
Oh, it's actually, oh.
Yes, it is.
Oh yeah, oh you remember that tragic moment.
I know, oh my god.
But yeah, say hi to the people them.
Hi.
A birdie told me that she actually ate food like half an hour before this and come here and order food again. Hungry belly makeup artist. Okay.
But nothing.
Alright. And over there so is Nani and the maroon best friend. How you doing?
I am distraught.
Why?
I've been here since 6 o'clock. It is almost 8 and they're just getting...
Alright, moving right along. That was nice.
Boom!
Yeah, who are you?
That's a very good question. I'm a filmmaker, director, musician. Yeah, so my name Gemma _ Dream Chaser, Gemma McFarlane. I don't know what else to say.
What are you, an actor?
I do everything.
An editor?
Write, edit, produce, direct. Me all.
Are you a part of Team Spice?
Team Spice, Team Spice.
I'll say go on stage with them and stuff when them dance.
Yeah, you know, I'm a professional towel man, so you know when booty sweat gets too much, I run around with the towel and I wipe the booty and I run back off.
That's why it smell like that. That's why it smell like that.
Hold the camera, sir. Hold the camera.
Hi West, it's West, what go on?
This camera makes my face look so beautiful.
Yo, the brownest me ever see you.
Oh my god.
Yo,
Not
fresh
black
start.
anymore. What's the name? I have to give my intro.
Yo, if I'm running and drop the man.
Boy, West, you don't know we are here at Chillitos, and why are you looking at me? You've never seen a YouTuber before? Jesus! Anyways, they're so strange. Jamaicans are so strange. They see a YouTuber in front of the camera and they're like, oh my god, what is this person? What is this?
We're weird. You're weird.
Jesus. I'm not weird, I'm a YouTuber. I have to feed my kids, my family, and my cars. Jesus. Anyways, we are here now. It's very.
Tell them about the planting.
Oh my god.
No.
Let's talk about my
Keep it
planting.
PG.
Jesus.
Up here, church leaders follow my channel and kids.
Talk about the
It's all
planting.
good. Listen to me now. There's a difference between the banana and the plantain. Once I have the plantain, once I have, yeah. Yaardman, go over. Go over. I'm trying to put my leg up there.
Come on.
Like, my legs are so tight. Jesus. Anyways, I have the plantain. You Jamaican boys, you don't know what the plantain is. I can take a girl just like this. Just like that. And look at that. Baby, I have the plantain.
It's the Caucasian girl with the go here.
Well,
Right here. Go here. Go here right now.
Yaardman.
Let's see.
Yaardman.
Oh wow.
If you don't get the green card right now.
What's him gone?
Take it off for you and you.
How you go around?
what she said.
Wow.
She's here with her husband, don't it?
So she's not single. She's not single.
But you tried.
I tried my best. Listen,
How much tell her about the plan?
How much I didn't tell her. She has her friend waiting on her, but I'm going to talk to her friend when she gets here.
But then, in a shocking twist, we saw the Caucasian beauty enamored with someone else from the table. Who could it be?
Oh yeah.
I am used to my dark chocolate girls. You know what I like? Look at that. She's so
Sorry, cash back draw, cash back draw, cash back draw. So over here.
We're there in a Chillitos right now, and we're there, bad thing, yo, people.
Wow.
And just like that, the Caucasian beauty disappeared into the darkness with the mysterious table guy. Let's see what Hits Your Boy Wes has to say.
So she left for another one. The goat never worked for photography.
You know, he did the photography thing when he tell us, yo, you want a photo shoot?
Yeah, that's it. Always work. Nobody ever pass over a free photo shoot.
You know what? I'm not upset. I am not upset. You know what? You're not upset. I am not upset at all. I have the plan thing. I'm just showing it like a banana or something. What is it? I'm dark skin. I'm out of chocolate. What happened to me? I have the chocolate.
Anyway, Yaardman.
Yo, we're there in a Chillitos. People are looking for weird kind of Jamaican. Them used to see camera and all them things all over the place.
So you're going away. You're going tomorrow.
I'll go away tomorrow. Foreign, I'll go back to Atlanta. You see me? You know, say things up a pay, bills up a pay. All them sitting there. You see me? I say, I forget my YouTube meal to officially start making money on YouTube and all them things. So we can show the people them say, yeah, YouTube can actually be a
But is what is not this? China K, the pepperlight here, the beauty, finally decides to show up to the dinner, a whopping 2 hours late.
Wow.
Yeah, man. The diva is here, guys.
3 hours later.
Oh, it's only like 2. Not too bad. Hi.
Oh, hey.
Hi.
Everybody, this is Shiny K.
Hello, Tony.
Hi.
Say hi to the camera on vlog. This is really raw. That's why you say hi. Sign down with Josh.
Hi, everyone.
Okay, thank you.
My name is China.
How are you doing?
Media person. I was gonna.
Media person to sell ear and alk, and I think she sell ear downtown from Princess Street.
I do. Sometimes apple tree and animal stuff. It depends on how I feel. Yeah. I was gonna say something dirty, but I figured I'd keep it PG.
From a channel.
Oh, my your channel?
Yeah.
Oh, then I gotta keep it PG. Hey guys, my product is now in Fontana. Make sure you check it out.
What's your product name?
It's called Jolie Fair Hair Maha Bring Brush Organic Hair Growth and Hair Nourishing Oil.
Can it be used for pubic hair?
It grows any hair. I mean, if you want to try it on your female.
Sauce. Hold it.
We can drink it. Here, look at this.
On the next Vlogmas, the Caucasian beauty resurfaces with the mystery man. What becomes of Hits West? Is there love in the air? And yeah, who is this weird random guy? All this and more on the next Real YouTubers of Jamaica, the Vlogmas reunion. Check it out next time.
Walk on, genius.
Woman.
A long time in the scene, everything good?
Talk to me there, we are going with.
You still have your work?
No. I know, me not get pay. Me friend owe me from me, but that not stop me from stay. Cause right now, me nah no money. Not a dollar, not a cent. Not a dollar, not a cent. have been. Me I look for everything.